reason to be jolly, guys, and we already spoke about the decorations, the music, and the dance. Now we explore the games. Here to drop some six love is Kristen Nemard, founder and owner of K Creations, showcasing some beautiful customized resin dominoes and other resin gift ideas. Kristen, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I see you have some beautiful pieces here. I see
Thank you.
posters, dominoes. This is an ashtray.
Yes.
All right. So all of these pieces, you've made them yourself. So tell us a little bit about how did you decide, or why did you decide to, come up with K Creations?
All right. Actually, Cake Creations came about during the pandemic. Most persons' creativity side came out there because job was hard to find. I needed a source of income. So Cake Creations started during the COVID-19 pandemic. I wanted to do something fun to keep busy and to make money. And since I've always had a passion for art and creating, that's how I came up with Cake Creations.
All right. So is it that you just decided to say, okay, I'm gonna try and see what I can put together?
Well,
because I read that you're an environmentalist.
Yes.
As well, so you love to reuse and recycle pieces.
Yes, I love the environment too, but I love this more. I love art more.
Okay, all right. What do you think makes personalized and customizable gifts like the ones from K Creations so special, especially during this Christmas time?
Because they are so unique. I don't think you have ever seen much of personalized dominoes, especially because they can be personalized or customized to meet your style and your sense, or to make a special gift for someone. Anything they like, you can make it into that form for them.
Definitely, because right now she was coming on Smile Jamaica, Weekend Smile. So you know what she do? We got our own customized like dominoes as well. Smile dominoes,
Smile.
people. Okay, I've never seen that before. So tell me now, how did you come up with the concept of making these very special dominoes?
Resin art was actually very common back in that time, in 2020, 2021, and I kept seeing it online a lot, so I decided that I wanted to try it out. Because
the dominoes?
Yes, the dominoes, everything, yes.
And we know that this especially would be a great gift now during this Christmas time. Family gatherings, you're linking up with friends, you want to drop a six love, Kristen.
Yeah, it's perfect for the family-friendly games during the holiday.
Okay. All right. What is the process like, creating these specialized dominoes, resin dominoes?
Trust me, it's very tedious, because you have the resin, it's a two-part compound. You have to mix it, you have to add the colors, you have to add the accessories that the customer may need. Then after waiting 24 to 48 hours for it to cure properly, you later have to paint the dots and then fix it up, give it little touches for it to be boxed and sent off.
Okay, all right. And how long would something like this take?
The process takes about 3 to 5 days.
All right, so just in case I want to get my own domino set for the season,
yes,
I can just contact you.
Because you have to wait on the resin to cure properly.
Okay,
yes.
okay.
So that takes 24 to 48 hours.
Okay, and what do persons normally ask for? Or what can I ask for, to be customized on my dominoes?
Almost anything, to be honest, because not only you get your specific colors, you can get anything added to it as well. So if you want to preserve something like flowers, or if you want to, I have some beach set, that's a very common one as well. Can add shells, sandstones, literally anything. That one is actually
what was added in this one?
Yeah,
Kristen?
What does it look like?
I don't know. Is it a flower? Is it?
It's a flower.
Oh, it's a very special flower. All right, I'm not going to tell them what it is. I'm not going to tell them what it is, but it's a very special plant.
Yes, so anything can be added to it, actually.
Okay, all right. And I see we also have some coasters.
Yes.
This is also a coaster?
This is a jewelry dish.
Okay.
So you add your earrings and stuff like that inside to store it on your dresser, and yeah.
All right, and for persons who might be considering, resin dominoes as a gift this season, what advice do you give in regards to caring?
They are low maintenance because the resin it cures hard, so it's like hard plastic cake, so it cannot break or anything like that. So the best thing you can do to preserve it is to not lose the pieces, so you have your full set of dominoes.
I don't wrong you. Don't worry about that. Just don't lose them.
Don't lose the pieces.
And what kind of feedback have you been receiving as well, Kristen?
The feedbacks are my favorites. You're so talented. I love your work. Oh my gosh, they keep me going.
They really keep you going, Kristen. And
Yes.
for anybody who might be interested, in getting in touch with you this season, we want to get some extra special gifts. How can we find you?
I'm on Instagram as K Creations. You can just send me a direct message or WhatsApp or call me at 578-2660.
All right, Kristen, thank you so much for joining us this
Thank
morning on
you.
Weekend Smile. I think Kristen knew she was coming here, because
Yes.
she made sure to bring her
That's
tea.
your initial?
Just for me. Just for me, Kristen, pick up yourself.
Thank
All the
you.
best for the season.
Thank you so much.
And I mean, I'm loving this this set of dominoes. I really feel like, we can do some nice family-friendly games and
Yes,
things. So big up yourself,
perfect.
Mama.
Thank
Contact her for your gifts and your games this season. Founder and owner of K Creations, Kristen Nemard. We soon come back. Don't go anywhere. See?